Alright everyone, so we're going to black out the rear bumper on this thing today. We'll see how that works out. This is taped. I've cleaned the area with glass cleaner, alcohol, and then the pre-dip spray. So we'll see how this turns out. So currently I'm on second light coat, so you could still see a bunch through, just like it's supposed to. I'm giving it about 5 minutes in between these light coats, and then I will be applying the wet coats, and I usually give about 15 to 20 minutes in between those coats. So all right, stay tuned. I will be back with an update when I start doing the wet coats and then the final. All right, so I'm actually in the middle of my wet coats. This is after the third coat. I'm giving myself about 15 minutes between my wet coats. This thing is taking out really nicely. It will hopefully look badass, so we'll see. All right, 3 more coats to go, and then we'll see how this looks once it's completely done. Stay tuned, guys. All right, so here's the final result. I think it came out really nice, so I'm definitely gonna be blacking out my front. All right, so HyperDip from dipyourcar.com is what I've used. Put 4 thin coats and 6 wet coats. Let it dry and remove the excess, and here we are. All right, I think it looks really good with especially with the white truck.